Good early morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, if you're still awake, depending on where you are in the country or the world. I'm on Eastern Time, Kentucky. I'm going to read another section of the book, Covert, Technological Unaliving. It's called Pain Ray Beam by Renee Pittman. And I'll read the back of the book as I did with the last couple of readings. But before I do, remember to hit the thumbs up. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading, exposing one criminal at a time. I moved from Manalapan, New Jersey, in a home I lived in for 30 years as the original owner. I became targeted there. And yes, I was harassed and stalked by the Manalapan Police Department, who actually labeled me a terror threat for walking on my driveway. That's right. In an incident report, they refused to change it or tell me what it meant. Yeah. So they already targeting people in the neighborhood for profit and revenge. Well, karma's coming for them. Anyway, I'm going to start on page 84 for anybody that has the book. And the last chapter we read was, let's see, I think I started, on synthetic telepathy and psychotronics. And do you want others to read your thoughts? But what we're reading today is a list including all horrible details. Yes, yes, yes. Wait till you hear this, folks. Although many of you already know what I'm going to tell you. A list including all the horrible details. On the internet, already a lot of symptoms and attacks by these weapons can be found. Most of these lists do not detail these attacks, and that is exactly what I am trying to do here. In my opinion, it is not enough to read that such a weapon gives you a burning feeling. Instead, the horrible details must be exposed. Description of the continuous high-intensity microwave weapon attack. This weapon makes your skin really burn like a very heavy sunburn and cooks you inside. You really feel yourself being cooked alive, and you are heated like meat in a microwave with intensities that exceed those of a microwave oven. Gall is coming out of your throat, and fluids inside your body evaporate, making you instantly burp. In case of high intensity, there's also a burning sensation on the other side of the body where the beam of approximately 10 to 30 centimeter diameter leaves the body. If they cook you long enough, cooked body cells explode inside you. When aimed at your upper body, lung cells explode, are destroyed, and reducing lung capacity immediately noticed when walking upstairs or running. The burning sensation and the cooked inside feeling will go away after 55 to 30 minutes, or 1 to 2 days, depending on the duration and intensity. It may take a day or more to recover from high-power microwave bursts with durations of 5 to 60 seconds. But can you recover from these amounts of irradiation? A cup of milk is heated and starts evaporating after 5 to 10 seconds. The electronic weapons aimed at you can make you burp or fart within 1 to 3 seconds. Hence, the intensity of the electromagnetic irradiation is not only used to torture a person, but to murder as well. Covert and intended to notice or noticed electronic harassment torture. Electronic harassment is called covert if the target does not know about these weapons and methods. If you do not know about these weapons, you may think that you have all the bad luck in the world. You will wonder what strange things are happening to you, to your body, and accept that you do not control your life anymore. If indeed noticed, electronic harassment is torture in its most horrible form. What would you do if your body is made to react every time to events occurring in your life? For example, by making you burp or fart, your legs are cooked every night, your ankle is cooked during daytime when working behind your computer, your knee is beamed to cause maximum pain, etc. Some examples are as follows. They do this to delay you. They make you go to the toilet or urinate when you want to leave your house. They cook your legs before you want to go running. They burn and cook your body, high power, to prevent you from doing your work. Note that this delaying is often done together with gang stalking methods like cars blocking your road, phone calls when you're about to leave your home, etc. Or how about the fact that over the last 2 weeks they have been cooking my eyes, actually sliced underneath my eye, and my eyes are actually tearing right now, and this is going on 2 weeks. Bloodshot, tearing, itchy. Doesn't matter what I do, they're still burning and itchy. This is not normal. It's never happened to me before in my life. So to make things worse, they make you sneeze extra times when you have a cold. They cook your throat to become sore when you have a cold. They attack your eyes until red with blood. That's what they're doing with mine. They cook your legs after running. They cook or burn where you have pain already. And to torture you, they cook and burn your body everywhere. They cook your family, your children, your friends. Note that this torture is often done together with gang stalking methods like synchronizing saw machines, honking horns of cars, screaming birds, pigeons, crows, etc. The maximum pain business, beyond imagination, horror, and cruelty without evidence. Special methods have been developed to make you think that you have a heart problem, erection problem, toothache, etc. For the ones exposing these horrendous crimes that develop methods to inflict maximum pain, etc., by cooking such a person alive with a high-power microwave weapon, or burning the skin of the target, or making the target burp or fart every few minutes to events occurring in the life of the target, including, for example, opening a website on a computer, saving a file, cars passing by the window. Some authors refer to the development and use of these weapons as the pain business. Imagine the pain business. I would like to make a correction. Please call it the maximum pain business. After accepting that there are really such sick and disgusting creatures actually developing and applying these methods in torture, you also have to accept that it's not just about pressing a button, but also about how this torture is applied. Zapping your eyes red to make you look bad. Cooking biceps to prevent you from swimming. Cooking your throat to prevent you from singing, including heart problems and toothaches to prevent you from working or sports. More horror. These methods and procedures could not have been highly developed without being tested on humans or real persons. And, again, more horror. These methods are often used with gang stalking, organized stalking methods. Like they cook your ankle with an insane intensity, making your foot very painful. And when you go outside at all kinds of people with leg problems are crossing your path. People are limping in a wheelchair, sometimes even someone without a leg. or from the way, let's see, or wait, where, or they start sawing wood somewhere and the saw enters the wood and cooks your body with high intensity microwave. This torture is applied 24/7, not once every hour, but more likely once every minute, every 5 minutes. Horrible torture that can be called torturing a person to death. There's a special case, the heart attack. Damaging your body can be done in several ways. One vital organ is the heart. They can attack the heart very effectively with microwave weapons, cooking the heart area slowly. High-powered microwave, or HPM weapons, are cooking the heart areas in a second. Ultrasonic weapons, pressuring the heart area. Heart frequency manipulation weapons. These weapons can damage your heart in a split second. You may not survive such attack. They can also be used to slowly damage your heart, slowly cook your heart area so you will get a strange feeling, and in fact your heart is really damaged. Then also the frequency manipulation attack. Your heart may feel pulsing, blobbing like crazy. Cook heart area from the front, often together with a cook beam from the left behind. Slow damage, horrible feeling. Flash your heart with a very high-powered microwave. Instant danger. Pressurize your chest. Even takes your breath away if you apply with enough power. They pulsate your body and heart area with low frequencies. These effects will give you very realistic heart attack. Or at least the problem of feeling that way. Your heart may start pounding very loudly. It may feel painful. The heart area may feel strange or cooked. If applied with enough power, this really does damage your heart and the heart area. Your heart is cooked like meat in a microwave oven. Can you recover from these attacks? In general, they will not murder you or leave evidence. Your heart may very well be painful for several days after. It can take weeks until all the pain in the area has disappeared. I'm not sure about permanent damage caused by these attacks. Can you die from such an attack? Yes. If the intensity of the beam is high enough, your heart can be damaged or temporarily disturbed in such a way that you will die. How can you recognize a normal heart problem from an induced heart problem? You yourself are the best judge of what you feel. If you believe that something really is wrong with your heart, then visit a doctor. If you're certain your heart is being attacked, then avoid visiting a doctor, as this will confirm a heart problem in case you collapse or die. Then the case is closed. If your heart is under attack, you may receive strange emails, like the one below. And she gives an email here and discusses the radio frequency radiation dosimetry handbook, chapter 2. Impossible to protect yourself. The human body appears to be extremely vulnerable to electromagnetic radiation of all kinds of frequencies. The human body is an electromagnetic transmitter, and sensitive radio equipment can pick up and decode the signals that are being generated. And anybody can be a target. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to end here because I'm a little tired. My eyes are bothering me. So I'm on page 90. I hope everybody's doing well and found something interesting. Please leave a comment down below if you'd like for me to read more of this book. And I'm going to sign off for now.